The James Webb Space Telescope has changed everything we thought we knew about the universe. For decades, scientists and stargazers alike have eagerly awaited images from this powerful new eye in space. And now that it's finally sending back pictures, they are unlike anything we've ever seen before. Some of these images don't just reveal distant galaxies or star nurseries. They expose cosmic phenomena so strange and intense that they can only be described as horrifying in their scale and implications. One of the first images sent back by the telescope showed a vast, turbulent stellar nursery, where stars are born in violent storms of gas and dust. These regions are chaotic and violent beyond imagination, with clouds of material collapsing under their own gravity, igniting nuclear fusion in the heart of newborn stars. The colors and shapes captured are stunning, but also eerie, a stark reminder that the universe is a place of relentless creation and destruction happening simultaneously. But the images go beyond beautiful chaos. They reveal phenomena that push the limits of our understanding. Supermassive black holes glowing with light from material spiraling into them, ancient galaxies distorted by gravitational forces, and ghostly remnants of supernova explosions that paint a haunting picture of death on a cosmic scale. The telescope's unprecedented sensitivity means we can now see structures that were invisible before, and some of these features look almost alien or nightmarish. One particularly chilling image shows a galaxy cluster so massive it warps space itself. Light from galaxies behind it bends and stretches around it, creating visual distortions that look like twisted mirrors reflecting a fractured reality. This phenomenon, called gravitational lensing, isn't new to astronomers, but JWST's clarity and depth bring this effect into sharp, almost unsettling focus. The universe, it seems, is not just vast but actively distorting itself, revealing a cosmic landscape more bizarre and complex than our minds can easily grasp. Then there are the dark, shadowy regions, areas where light is completely blocked or absorbed by dense clouds of cosmic dust. These dark patches in the images hint at places where stars and planets are still forming, cloaked in thick blankets of material. They represent both the promise of new worlds and the mystery of what lies hidden in the darkest corners of space. It's a reminder that even with all our advances, the universe keeps secrets we may never fully uncover. The James Webb Telescope isn't just a tool for seeing farther. It's a window into the violent, unpredictable, and sometimes terrifying processes that govern our cosmos. Each image it sends back is a story of cosmic struggle, of forces so immense and ancient they dwarf human comprehension. They inspire awe, but also a deep, unsettling awareness of our smallness in a universe that is constantly in motion, sometimes in ways that challenge the very nature of reality. The technology behind the James Webb Space Telescope is itself a marvel, making these haunting images possible. Unlike its predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope, JWST operates primarily in the infrared spectrum. This allows it to peer through clouds of cosmic dust that block visible light, revealing hidden structures and processes occurring in the depths of space. Its 6.5-meter primary mirror, made up of 18 hexagonal segments, unfolds in space to collect light with extraordinary precision, capturing details that were previously out of reach. By observing infrared light, JWST can look further back in time, almost to the very beginning of the universe. The light from the earliest stars and galaxies takes billions of years to reach us, stretching into the infrared by the time it arrives. This means the telescope isn't just capturing images, it's seeing ancient history. Moments after the Big Bang, when the first galaxies started to take shape, some of the most unsettling images come from JWST's view of the early universe, showing galaxies that formed surprisingly soon after the cosmic dawn. These galaxies are compact, irregular, and sometimes appear to be colliding in violent mergers. Their shapes and colors challenge current models of how galaxies evolved, forcing astronomers to rethink how quickly matter clumped together and stars ignited. This rapid formation hints at cosmic forces at work that we don't yet fully understand, revealing a universe far more chaotic and volatile than previously imagined. In addition to galaxies, JWST has revealed star systems that look almost like cosmic maelstroms. One image shows a massive star surrounded by swirling rings of gas and dust, which are being blasted by powerful stellar winds. These winds carve out cavities and shock waves that can trigger new star formation, but also rip apart material in the surrounding space. The contrast between creation and destruction is stark, and the violent energy at play is both beautiful and terrifying. Then there are the black holes. JWST's images capture the glowing disks of superheated gas orbiting these invisible monsters, giving us a glimpse into the destructive forces lurking at the heart of many galaxies. The immense gravity of a black hole warps space and time, and the light escaping from its surroundings flickers and twists in ways that challenge our understanding of physics. These images are not just scientific observations. They evoke a deep existential dread, reminding us of the raw power that shapes the cosmos. Another disturbing yet fascinating discovery is the presence of vast cosmic filaments, threads of dark matter and gas that stretch across millions of light years, connecting galaxy clusters like a giant spider web. These filaments are the scaffolding of the universe, invisible to the naked eye but revealed through JWST's sensitive instruments. They appear ghostly and delicate, yet they carry the weight of entire galaxies, shaping the large-scale structure of the cosmos. The realization that the universe's vastness is organized in this intricate and almost eerie pattern adds another layer of mystery to what we see. The James Webb Space Telescope's revelations don't just expand our knowledge, they provoke questions that unsettle and fascinate. How did these structures form so quickly? What forces govern the turbulent birth and death of stars? Could the dark regions and strange shapes hint at phenomena we haven't yet theorized? Each image is a puzzle piece in the grand cosmic story, and sometimes the picture it paints is far stranger than fiction. The implications of these images stretch far beyond just astronomy. They touch on some of the deepest questions about our existence and place in the universe. When we look at these horrifyingly beautiful images, we see a cosmos that is indifferent to life, governed by raw forces of gravity, energy, and time. Stars explode, galaxies collide, black holes consume everything in their path, and the very fabric of space bends and twists in ways that seem almost supernatural. One image that sparked intense discussion among scientists shows a distant galaxy engulfed in a massive tidal tail, streams of stars and gas ripped away by gravitational forces during a cosmic collision. The scale of destruction is almost unimaginable, spanning tens of thousands of light years. This reminds us that the universe is a violent place where even entire galaxies can be torn apart, their stars flung into the void. Yet, within this chaos lies the potential for creation. The death of stars, the collisions of galaxies, and the turbulent clouds of gas all contribute to the cycle of cosmic rebirth. Elements forged in the cores of stars, carbon, oxygen, iron, are scattered into space through these violent events, seeding the raw material for new stars, planets, and possibly life itself. In this way, the horrifying images also carry a message of hope and transformation, showing that destruction is a necessary step toward creation. JWST's discoveries also challenge our understanding of dark matter and dark energy, the mysterious substances that make up most of the universe's mass and drive its expansion. The warped space seen around massive clusters and the distribution of galaxies in the images hint at the unseen forces shaping everything. These glimpses push scientists to refine their theories and seek new physics beyond the standard model. For the general public, these images evoke a sense of wonder mixed with unease. They force us to confront the vastness and complexity of the cosmos and remind us of how little we know. The sheer scale of time and distance involved dwarfs human history, and even the lifetime of our own planet. They highlight how fragile and temporary our existence is in this ever-changing universe. Despite the sometimes horrifying nature of these images, they are a triumph of human curiosity and ingenuity. The James Webb Space Telescope represents decades of work by thousands of scientists and engineers, pushing technology to its limits to bring us closer to the stars. Its ability to reveal such detailed and strange features opens a new chapter in our quest to understand the universe. These images invite us to reflect on the cosmos not as a distant, abstract concept, but as a dynamic and sometimes unsettling reality. They remind us that the universe is alive with processes far beyond our daily experience, violent, beautiful, mysterious, and always surprising. The James Webb Space Telescope is just beginning its mission. As it continues to send back data and images, we can expect even more astonishing and sometimes horrifying views that will deepen our understanding and challenge our perceptions. Each picture is a step closer to uncovering the ultimate secrets of space and time, and the terrifying grandeur of the universe itself. As the James Webb Space Telescope continues to scan the depths of space, it will uncover phenomena that challenge everything we know. The more we learn, the more we realize how much remains a mystery. For example, JWST's ability to detect the faint atmospheres of exoplanets, worlds orbiting other stars, raises the possibility of discovering signs of life or environments far stranger than anything in our solar system. Some of these planets might have extreme climates or chemical compositions that are hostile or even downright terrifying to imagine. Imagine a planet shrouded in thick, toxic clouds, with volcanic eruptions spewing acidic gases into an alien sky. Or one where gravity is so intense that mountains tower miles high and storms rage without end. The telescope's infrared capabilities allow us to peer through thick atmospheric layers and begin to study these distant worlds in unprecedented detail. These findings might reveal environments so hostile they redefine what it means to be habitable, forcing us to expand our ideas about life and survival. Back in our own galaxy, JWST's images reveal the life cycle of stars with astonishing clarity. We see protostars still cocooned in the clouds of gas and dust from which they formed, their light slowly piercing the darkness. We witness stars reaching the end of their lives in spectacular supernova explosions, scattering elements essential for life across the cosmos. Some stars collapse into neutron stars or black holes, objects so dense and extreme that they warp reality itself. These processes are both beautiful and terrifying, reminding us that creation and destruction are inseparable forces shaping the universe. The telescope's revelations also push us to reconsider the timeline of cosmic events. Galaxies we once thought mature and settled appear to be in turmoil, merging and evolving rapidly. This challenges long-held models of galactic evolution and hints that the universe's history is more violent and complex than previously believed. Each new image from JWST is a snapshot of a dynamic cosmos in flux, far from the peaceful star fields often imagined. Moreover, JWST's observations may help answer profound questions about the nature of dark matter and dark energy, which together constitute about 95% of the universe's total mass energy content. By mapping the distribution of galaxies and the bending of light around massive clusters, astronomers hope to unravel how these mysterious forces shape the cosmos on the largest scales. These insights could revolutionize physics and our understanding of reality itself. In summary, the images from the James Webb Space Telescope are far more than just stunning photographs. They are windows into the raw, violent, and mysterious processes that govern the universe. They reveal a cosmos filled with beauty and terror, creation and destruction, order and chaos. These images challenge our understanding, inspire awe, and remind us of our tiny but precious place in the vast expanse of space and time. As we continue to explore with JWST, the universe will no doubt keep surprising us with scenes that blur the line between science and the surreal. The terrifying and the beautiful coexist on a cosmic scale, inviting us to keep looking up and asking the questions that push the boundaries of knowledge. This is just the beginning. The James Webb Space Telescope is opening a new era of discovery, one filled with wonder, mystery, and yes, moments that are truly horrifying in their implications. What we find next may change everything we think we know about the universe and our place within it.